Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. The Crack Pro robotic maintenance vehicle is the result of a partnership between Sealmaster and Pioneer Industrial Systems, whose president Todd Hendricks invented the concept. The RMV consists of a Fanuc 2000 robotic arm, a Sealmaster Crack Pro 260 sealer, an air blowing system to remove debris from the road, and an artificial intelligence system consisting of high-resolution cameras and lasers to find and measure cracks. The system is powered by a 484 three-phase state-line generator. Incidentally, all components are mounted on a Class 7 heavy-duty truck chassis. Although the RMV now performs crack sealing, there are plans to upgrade it to perform other road maintenance functions. Low debris removal, reflector replacement, meet the VM-M310 from CenNPC Private Limited. The Pioneer, a fully automatic brick making this machine, is revolutionizing the industry by producing 12,000 bricks per hour on wheels like a car. The VM-MITR-10 stands for economy and ecology. It reduces labor and water consumption by a factor of 3, making the process not only fast but also sustainable. The bricks produced are 3 times stronger than conventional bricks, and the cost is reduced by 40% with the flexibility to use mud, clay, or a mixture of clay and flash. The VM-MITR-10 adapts to any requirement for reducing red clay and flash bricks. Meet Rex, more than just a dump truck for mining. This machine combines fuel economy and productivity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Its compact 15.7 foot, with an ability to negotiate gradients of up to 12, makes the Rex the ideal choice for challenging terrain. Forget standard economy. The Rex can travel up to 25 miles on a single fill-up while saving 20 to 30 on fuel, with the ability to haul loads up to 160 tons and reach speeds up to 37 miles per hour. The Rex easily outpaces its competitors. The innovative dump truck doesn't just move freight, it moves the entire industry forward, making every delivery more efficient and cost-effective. The Epiroc DM30XC is a crawler-mounted tub hydraulic rotary blast hole drilling machine with 30-foot drill pipe exchange capability. The starter drill rod is located under the DM30XC machine's rotary drive. Total cleaning depth is 148 feet depending on drill pipe size. The DM30XC is designed to handle drill pipe diameters from 4 inches to 6¼ inches. The drill bit is rated at Ps 44,000. A choice of lower high-pressure compressor makes the machine suitable for rotary drilling or submerged percussion drilling. Be careful as you begin to watch the part being spun on this unique machine. You may fall under its hypnotic influence. Your attention will be completely captured, and it will be impossible to tear yourself away until the process is complete. Thanks to a sophisticated but very clever mechanism, the raw materials are tightly compressed and immediately suitable for further use. The perfect solution for a quick recycling. SuperChamp SL is durable, reliable in operation, and extremely robust. This means up to 30,000 operating hours with low maintenance costs thanks to the powerful and reliable Mercedes-Benz engine. The machine is the ideal high-performance partner for large companies, contractors, and many company groups, thanks to the powerful 6-cylinder M2 engine of the latest generation with an output of 210 kilowatts. The SuperChamp cell operates at maximum productivity at a significantly reduced operating speed. All shredding and mixing processes take place at 1400 RPM, and even travel at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour is within this low speed range. The result? Uncompromising performance on demand, smooth running, economical material and environmental protection. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.